Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do keyframing in Fimora X, just like in the videos that are running on our screen here. As you can see, this moving pictures, this one here moving, and it is fading out. So I'm going to show you how to use keyframe tool in Fimora X. So I'll take this, select all of this. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put these are pictures. There was a picture, this was a video, so I'm going to drag this one here. Just maintain that measurements, also drag this one, also drag this one here. Now then the first thing I'm going to do, I'm also going to drag this picture top here and make sure it is aligned to this. I'm also going to align, I'm going to do this picture there, make sure it's aligned to this. The next one I'm going to align this to make sure it's to this. So the first thing I'm going to do, we're going to use this tool here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click as I'm going to search here. I realize this picture is blocking this video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here and make sure I minimize it somewhere here because I want it to move along the screen. So I put it there. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click this here, which will bring me to the keyframe tool, which will bring me this board here. Now I'll come again and click where I want it to end and add another keyframe, add. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this slowly so that it goes and disappears in the screen. So if I play, you see what has happened, this arrow has come. You see this arrow. If I play, you see what happens, it moves slowly from one end to the other. Now that is one. The next thing we're going to do is this one here. We're going to work with this. This one I want it to slowly shrink when it moves. So I'm going to add another keyframe, and then I'm also going to add another keyframe here. Make sure, and then I'm going to scale. So I make sure when it's scaling out, when it's going to scale out slowly, like so, like so, like so, until it disappears. Now if I play from here, see what happens, it scales out slowly. Now the next object, which is this one here, we're going to make sure it scales out and it spins also, or it moves from one. So I'm going to minimize it like that. Then I'm going to put another keyframe here, add, then I'm going to move it slowly, then to come here again. Now what am I going to do? At least moving slowly, I'm going to fade it. So I'm also going to do opacity. So if I play like so, you see it is moving and it is slowly fading out like so. So guys, that's how to keyframe in Fimora X. So let me just play with it now, guys. So you can see that's how to frame Fimora X. You can watch my other videos and tips of how to use Fimora X so that you know how to use the software. Click the description section so that you can have a nice day, have a nice time.